else, hit like, hit share, smash the subscribe button, and remember my merch. Today what I'm doing, I'm working on this beautiful SI, lower to the ground. This vehicle right here, we're doing a downpipe. So, I know a lot of you have seen videos like this on YouTube, but basically this is what we're doing today. And basically, what are we doing is replacing the original catback exhaust. In other words, he does have the cat converters right here. We are removing that, doing a downpipe on it. We're gonna go like that. And one of these right here is gonna be for the O2 sensor. The other one is gonna be bolted down. So this is gonna be for the O2. Another O2 sensor. That pipe is gonna go down and put it in place. And yeah, bro, we're gonna have fun with this. But first, you have to take a half of that wind wiper brake apart to do that. So, the part that I'm using on this is from, I guess, eBay. I don't know. I haven't talked to the owner about it. But the beautiful SI, he's getting that up. Beautiful car. I'll show you the end of the day. I'll show you how the car looks in the floor with the downpipe. First, so let's put the hood up. What? Nah, it's just a stock SI. Hold on. Alright guys, there you go. I'm sorry the blindness right there, but it's a beautiful K24 underneath the hood. It's an electronic one. Alright, let's go underneath. Let's take a look at what's going on underneath the car. Alright guys, so how you can see, I got the flashlight. I gotta take those two bolts, also 4 bolts on top. This is the cat converter. This is what's leaving the vehicle, exiting. Bye bye, adios. So basically we had to go out there. We're gonna take this in 2 pieces. First, I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna loosen the resonator down there. I'm gonna loosen that up. Loosen the O2 sensor out. Then I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna loosen that up. After I do all that, then I'm gonna loosen this up. And after I loosen that up, these will come out later on. Then I have to take all the top out, because from here I can take those 2 out, but from here there's no way to get to them. You gotta get to the top. So with that said, I'm gonna jump on here real quick. I'm gonna do all this first and get to there first and get it done, and then we go from there. So this car got 2 O2 sensors. And usually, when you work with O2 sensors, you're gonna need a tool like this. This is the tool that you would need for an O2 sensor. You can rent these. That's the part number. I believe I got this in a O'Reilly side part. And you can use it with a regular socket. And then we're gonna go from there. We're gonna take that O2 sensor and the other O2 sensor up here. So that's where we're gonna take all this out. You can see the light down there. You can see the light right there. You gotta take all this out and then go through there to take all the 2 light bulbs and the O2 sensor out. First of all, hold on, let me get better. So you can see the light down here. That's where the light is coming from the bottom. You have to take this apart. All this gotta come out and take apart so we can get down there. But first, like I said, I'm gonna go to the bottom and do everything on the bottom. And the only thing you have to do, take the resonator, the other one from the top when I'm done, okay? See you soon. Alright, so that's loose. So I believe those are 14 back there. So I did downpipe already loose. Already got the O2 sensor loose, and right now we're about to hit this 14mm right here with the gun, and that will loosen up this bracket that holds it to the motor. Then I have another 14 right here that I gotta loose. Those are gonna be pain in the ass, but I'm gonna do it real quick. Get it done. I'm gonna have to get an extension cord. Alright guys, so I got the resonator, the downpipe off, out of the way. I'm gonna, you know, in the future, in case he wants to put it back together and sell the car, I don't know, I'll have it all that back to stock. And I got all the screws right here that goes with it. So in the future, he wants to put everything back to stock, sell the car again, he can. Now comes the difficult part. Now comes the upstairs dismantle of the car. So down here is everything done. That's done. That was the easy part. Now I gotta go upstairs and remove the whole wiper delete area, wiper area, and then go in that, and then I get that beautiful pipe in here, put it on, tighten everything down, crank the motor up. And that's it. Clear the coats, so no coats in the engine, and we're all set to go, bro. Alright guys, so I took out basically the cover. I really put a one shot right here so you can see the sun shining here. But if you remove this, you remove the wiper blades, be careful because they crack very easy, especially when they're old. Somebody already did this before me. So somebody went in here and did all this lower adjustment. You can tell somebody was in here because a lot of pieces missing. This is very easy to do right now because there's a couple pieces they're supposed to hold here, they're missing. Besides that, everything is on. Now I got my hands right here that I can put my O2 sensor thing right here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna follow this sensor and disconnect it because this thing is very way down there. I want to loosen this up, the bottom one, and this one, and this should drop to the bottom. And then find out where the O2 sensor is connected and disconnect it from there. And as soon as I do that, I can bring the pipe down, take the O2 sensor out here. Be easier. Then get that pipe ready, put it underneath and bolt it on and put it back together. Hold on. Alright guys, so you can see I'm kind of dirty. What I've been up to for the past 2 hours. Well, I'm done for the vehicle. Let me show you what I'm done. See the downpipe already there? Over here. Alright, you see the downpipe? From there all the way down, it's tied down with the O2 sensor, the 4 bolts. Go down here with this separator is right there. You have to put this in so you can put the O2 sensor so we're at an angle. And that's all tied down. Now, after you loosen up the original downpipe, you're gonna have run into a problem, and I'm gonna give you the solution. Problem is, you can see all this scrape because you cannot take the downpipe without moving the motor. And how you can see, I got my jack stands here on the subframe. So what did I do? Very easy. I loosen up this motor mount right here, take out the oil filter out, and then I rock the motor forward, and the downpipe shoots over there. Came out pretty easy. I'm gonna turn the car right now on. I want to make sure no leak through that exhaust system, no leak over there, no leak over here, and the only thing I have to do is put the wiper back on and the car is done. And I'm going to check, see if I got any check engine lights. I got my machine, I can clear it out if it does. Let's do that, all right? Alright guys, no oil leak or nothing like that. That's good news. I mean, exhaust leak. He does have one all the way in the back. All the way back there, he does have one. I gotta let him know so he can fix it. But all the way in the back over there, he got one, not here. Over there. I sprayed some soap on it. Soap usually, what that does is if you have a exhaust leak, you can see it. You know, you see the water fractioning. So back there, you got the exhaust leak. Smoking a little bit does happen because of the pipe is curing over the heat. But it sounds amazing. It sounds loud as fuck. Basically, straight pipe all the way, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and bring the car down so I can put the whatchamacallit, the windshield wiper and all that on the floor. It'd be better for me to reach. Everything else is done. That thing is loud, bro. It is loud. Sounds good though. Well guys, another oil job done. Customer's happy and they're going home. And I'm tired, but look what I got. Another one show up. Woo, that's for my next video, guys. Let's see what we're gonna do to this puppy. It's here at my house. Wow, you can hear that. This puppy's gonna be here. Follow him on his Instagram right there. But guys, I'm done for the day. I'm tired. I did like 4 cars today. But guess what? They're all happy customers. Stay tuned, hit like, smash your like, subscribe. Guys, peace out. See you later. Guys, you know.